Alright guys, so I don't usually make videos like this, but if you ever have a lawnmower that just won't start, let's take this off. Okay, so you got a good air filter, right? You got a good fuel filter. I just replaced all this. And you got a good spark plug. The reason it won't start, and you got a full, let's not forget that, a full tank of gas, and it still won't start, videos will tell you, check the plugs and all this other stuff. Solenoid right here, right there, if you unplug that and you try to start it, it won't start because that's what tells the gas to come to the engine. So, and it's right there next to the fuel, right there next to the oil filter. Okay, and that's it. I've replaced this little, you're supposed to replace your fuel filters and all that other stuff, but that was really the problem. Okay, it tells the gas to come to the engine. So if it's choking real well but it won't do anything else, it's not your battery, it's not your spark plug, it's that little solenoid right next to the fuel filter, right next to the oil filter. And this is the S100, so your lawnmower probably look like this if you got an S100 John Deere. And that was the problem, the solenoid. Sometimes you'll check the switch, right? But just come around here and check that solenoid.